Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you some non-traditional Valentine's Day gifts that I made using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For my first project, I'm reusing an empty glass bottle that I had left over from New Year's, as well as some Dollar Tree diamond wrap, some gold glitter ribbon that I had left over from Christmas, and my hot glue gun and glue sticks. This project was super simple. I simply cleaned the bottle inside and out. I then used hot glue to cover the bottle with my diamond wrap. Because the glass is clear, but the hot glue will dry a bit cloudy, I'm lightly squeezing the hot glue gun trigger, only adding a small amount of the hot glue behind the stones on the diamond wrap and not directly to the mesh. Once the bottle began to narrow, I cut the diamond wrap into single rows and I continued adding the diamond wrap until I made my way all the way to the top of my bottle. Once my diamond wrap was added, I removed the glue strings. I also removed the remaining piece of my bottle cap. And then finally, I added some of the Christmas gold glitter ribbon to my bottle as well. As you can see, I added a bow to the front of my bottle, as well as some small gold hearts that I cut out from that same glitter ribbon. I'll likely add some bath soak or some bubble bath to my bottle and pair it with 2 of the wine glass candles that I made a few weeks ago as well. For my second project, I used one of the Dollar Tree love signs, some of their iridescent rhinestones. I also used a package of their wire LED lights and my hot glue gun and glue sticks. So the first thing I did was remove the back of my sign. I then covered the front of my love sign with my rhinestones. These rhinestones are self-adhesive, but if you are duplicating this project, I would recommend adding some hot glue to ensure that the rhinestones stay in place over time. Next, I use hot glue to attach the wire lights along the back cover of my sign. I then used my hot glue gun to help me make a hole in the very bottom of my love sign. I'll use that hole to access the battery pack on and off switch. As you can see, I left off the cover of my battery pack. I did this because the battery pack is a little too big for the sign, so leaving the cover off definitely helped. And while it did not make for a perfect fit, I was able to screw back down the back of my sign. Because of the battery pack, the back of the sign did not sit flush, but I was happy with the results and I am able to turn my sign on and off and will be able to easily replace the batteries when needed. The sign gives off a soft, warm light when sitting on a tabletop, but definitely illuminates more when it's hanging on a wall. And finally, for my mirrored box, I used 6 of the Dollar Tree square mirrors, 1 of their stencil wheels, 1 of the Dollar Tree gold paint pens, a mini photo frame, and my hot glue gun, glue sticks, and E6000. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used for all 3 projects down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the stickers and black tabs from all 6 of my mirrors. I then used the stencil wheel to add designs to all 6 of my cleaned mirrors. I then began building my mirrored box. I made several mirrored boxes on my channel, so I won't add a lot of that footage here, but I do know that some of you guys have a hard time making the boxes without foam board. So I suggest if you are unable to or having a hard time putting together the mirrors with just E6000 and holding them up until they dry, then definitely use foam board, or you can use a gift box that the Dollar Tree carries if it's easier for you to do it that way. While my box dried, I also added the mini photo frame to the top of the 6th mirror. Once both pieces were completely dry, I removed the excess E6000, added diamond wrap along the sides of the box as well as around the heart picture frame, and here was my finished look. So there you have it, guys. 3 super glam, inexpensive Valentine's Day gifts that aren't the traditional pink and red colors, but are super cute and can be used well after Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.